how to turn off or on submissions notifications on Hubspot easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First, open your browser and then once you're here, click settings, and here we'll find notifications. Click on it, and now scroll down until you find here this one. Wait, here is it, from submissions. Now you can turn it off or on and then just save it and go back, it will be saved. And also you can manage desktop notifications, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.